Good morning children. Today we are going to learn a new lesson. The first lesson, poem is done, this is the lesson. Today we are going to learn about the magic garden. Okay, first of all, do you have a garden at home? Nowadays in this quarantine, what you are doing? I find most of the people growing the plants. Or you? Do you like the flowers, fruits and plants? Okay, today we are learning about the magic garden. Garden, okay, magic garden. Fine. What do you see here? A wall, and here are some flowers. There are so many kinds of flowers. I'll explain that. Before that, do you see flowers in the garden anytime? Yes, we have seen in our school. You can see so many kinds of flowers and trees also. Correct? Yes. And today we are going to learn about the magic garden. Let's see. I'll read out. The magic garden was in the school playground. Where is the magic garden? Magic garden is in the school playground. It was very pretty. The sunflowers, roses stood high against the wall. Sunflowers, roses. There are so many flowers. First of all, they have mentioned sunflowers and roses. That means they have grown higher than the wall. Against the wall. Yes, against the wall. There were also marigold, poppies and pansies. Marigold, poppies and pansies. We know sunflower, rose, marigold. What is this poppy and pansy? I will tell you. Poppies and pansies. Poppies means it looks like in Telugu you call mandaram. It looks like that, but little smaller than that. It's in red in color. Okay. And this pansies you can see mostly in the gardens, school gardens, because those flowers they will not use, but those flowers look very beautiful and they look like a butterfly. Pansies, see, it looks like a butterfly. This flower looks like a butterfly, and you can find it in so many colors like violet, yellow and white also. This pansies. Okay. The sunshine fell on this garden. For example, if it is night time, how will the garden look? It looks it may not look colorful. We will say it everything dark, correct? If sunshine falls on the flowers, it looks more brighter and colorful. The sunshine fell on this garden more than on any other. The flowers danced and sang happily. For example, if we get food, nice food like chicken biryani, how will we feel? We sing, we dance, we enjoy inside a lot. In the same manner, here also, the flowers are singing and dancing happily. This said to another, they have hundreds of little gardeners. Who are these little gardeners? Little gardener means little children, small children like you, small children. I have seen most of the times watering the plants, children watering the plants. Children like the plants, children like the flowers, the colors. Correct. I have seen so many times the children watering the plants. Here also in the magic garden, the children, they like the little gardeners. That means children, students. They water the plants. Who are those little gardeners? They were the children from the school. One Sunday morning, the flowers were talking to the birds. Who are talking to the birds? Flowers. Especially these birds we find near the gardens, trees and all. Correct? Yes. And these flowers are talking to the birds. I love all the children, but I love the dear little ones most of all. I love all the children, but especially I love the small little ones. Do you like the small kids, babies? And small kids, LKG, nursery, UKG students. If you look at them, we feel very happy, right? They are very cute. Said Poppy. Who said Poppy? Poppy said, I love all the children, but I love the dear little ones. I like them to bring their watering cans and water me thirsty roots. If the small little ones comes with the watering cans and pour the water to the plants, we feel happy, and especially the flowers also feel very very happy. And our poppy is telling to birds. Yes, said the marigold. And even the boys and the girls, boys are good because girls have less strength, and boys, what they will do, first of all, they dig they dig the ground so well than girls. What flowers are saying? Boys dig the ground than girls. Do you dig? First of all, if you want to plant something, we have to dig, then only we can plant. Afterwards, we can water every day. This is the story of our magic garden. Here you can see so many flowers: sunflowers, roses, marigolds, poppies and pansies. I'll ask you some questions. What did the flowers, why did the flowers love the little children? Why? Yeah, they're so cute. And the little children, if we see the little children watering the plants, we feel very happy. We feel very happy, right? Yes. Why did the birds love the children? They are cute and they water the plants. Name 5 flowers growing in the magic garden. Name 5 flowers. Sunflower. Repeat after me. Sunflower. Rose. Marigold. Poppies. Pansies. P-O-P-P-I-E-S. Poppies. P-I-N-S-I-E-S. Pansies. Pancakes, you know, pansies. Poppies, lollipop, you know, poppies and pansies. Just keep those in the mind. This will come into the picture. Fine. I hope you all have understood about this story of the magic garden. Have you all enjoyed? Fine. Watch this video 2 to 3 times, then you will understand well. Okay, bye bye.